So I went down to the local hardware store and I found this product, 3Z-14H/C18603B. Hot and cold stem for Sterling, Danco. And it said call this number. And so put together this. This is all. There's no instructions. I looked up on the website, nothing. So this is why I'm making the video, to try to piece together how to make it and show how to make it, because literally it's in pieces. It's like putting together a Lego set without the how-to instructions, and it's just bad sportsmanship sort of thing. It's just a bunch of crap. There's gaskets all over the place. There's bips and bobs and tulips and nubbins. I just don't know what they're doing. Okay, so to figure out how to do this, I gotta take apart the existing fixture. And then there is the sort of hexagonish sun-shaped thing that you can take off with a pair of pliers. And I've turned off the water underneath, so and so as you can see, it's built like so, and this will take its spot. Right in, there it goes. It's fitting. Just gotta figure out the inner workings. So I'll pop this off. Seems to be one wrapped around the top, the middle one. So I'll go ahead and I'll do that with the new piece. Really weird how there's extra bips and bobs. Don't quite understand. It's really hard to put this seat into place. Okay, so I finally got it in. I just had to call over the jaws of life to scrunch it together. And I apparently push it together like so. Like it just slides together like so. It just slides in. And I guess it just goes in. Well, seems like I do the left side as well. now for the fun part, putting the handles back on, because you know that you're in the project. Going across the screen, duking and driving. Then I turn the water back on. Well, at least yeah, looks like it's okay. That again was 3Z-14H. That was 3Z-14H/C hot and cold stem for Sterling. Product or item number, model number 18603B. That doesn't give you any information on the inside. Thanks for watching. It looks like I've got extra toys to play around with for some weird reason.